So to begin, could you tell me a little bit about the sourcing and production of JD Hydro Boost?
Okay, so JD Hydro Boost is produced by one of the biggest food companies in Israel, which is specialized in the process and production and sale of raw materials for the natural and soft drink industry in Israel and around the world. And the idea behind this product was initially to develop sugar-reduced orange juice. So the research to develop this natural, innovative, and healthy product was conducted in the collaboration with Technion, which is Israeli Institute of Technology, and as a result, an enzymatic process in which sugars of the orange juice are polymerized to obtain edible probiotic fiber with unique properties was developed. And later, within a time, the researchers realized that this fiber could be beneficial not only as a dietary supplement, but also as an ingredient for skincare. And nowadays, in order to ensure the robust production, product consistency, and to overcome the differences in orange species as a result of various sugar concentrations, it was decided to use cane sugar as the ultimate sugar source for the production of JD Hydro Boost. And nowadays, cane sugar from responsible source suppliers is used to produce JD Hydro Boost.
Excellent. And what makes the chemistry of the material so unique and perfect for the beauty industry applications?
So this fiber is a natural and biome-friendly polysaccharide and oligosaccharide for anti-aging beauty, which enhances the rejuvenation of the skin cells. And this material has actually a cross-action activity, and it's a result of its chemical composition, namely a precise combination of molecular weights in JD Hydro Boost. So 80% of the fiber are oligosaccharides with the average molecular weight of 700 daltons. And these molecules can penetrate to the upper layers of the stratum corneum, and they're responsible for the activation of collagen biosynthesis and the improvement of the cell's rejuvenation. While 20% of the fiber are polysaccharides with the average molecular weight of 1,000 kilodaltons, and these polysaccharides have film-forming properties and acts as an appearance enhancers.
So what are some of the key benefits of the material in applications, and how does it produce those benefits?
So the main key benefits of this ingredient is its ability to promote procollagen secretion and to increase extracellular matrix remodeling. Also, the ability to promote skin rejuvenation by accelerating of the epidermal turnover. This ingredient also has anti-aging properties. It's able to reduce wrinkles and to provide a vital skin appearance. As I mentioned previously, the high molecular weight polysaccharides has film-forming properties, and they're responsible for the smooth skin appearance. In addition, this ingredient has deeply moisturization properties, and also it shows biome-friendly properties.
And what are some of the key claims associated with the material?
So the claims is promotion of skin rejuvenation, increasing of extracellular matrix remodeling, anti-aging activity, skin barrier improvement, increases skin surface hydration, and it contributes to a balanced skin microbiome.
Excellent. And what are some of the regulatory registrations that the material allows brands and marketers to use?
So, of course, this ingredient has approved INCI and also Chinese INCI. This ingredient is Cosmos approved, and the production site is FSSC 22000 certified, and JD Hydro Boost is produced under strict GMP conditions, and it also has a responsible supply chain for this ingredient.
And I'd like to talk a bit about the claims. Again, can you talk about some of the information regarding the background studies for some of these claims?
Yes, sure. So during the last 5 years, JD Hydro Boost was studied thoroughly and proven to be an effective, naturally sourced and innovative cosmetic ingredient. And we performed a number of ex vivo and in vivo studies to prove the claims for this ingredient. So first of all, we examined the ability of JD Hydro Boost to promote skin rejuvenation in ex vivo study. We compared the activity of JD Hydro Boost to the control tissues and to the tissues with a positive control. And we observed that JD Hydro Boost accelerates the epidermal rejuvenation rates 34% more than the positive control, which is the growth factor protein. In the other ex vivo study, we compared the ability of JD Hydro Boost to increase the procollagen 1 secretion to the positive factor protein. And we detected that JD Hydro Boost indeed enhances procollagen secretion up to 16% compared to control tissue. And by this way, it increases extracellular matrix remodeling. Additionally, we evaluated anti-aging parameters such as transepidermal water loss, hydration level, and wrinkle condition assessment in a clinical in vivo study. So first of all, we tested the ability of JD Hydro Boost to improve the skin barrier by the measurement of transepidermal water loss. In this study, 22 subjects participated, and the performance of the formulation based on JD Hydro Boost was compared to the formulation based on hyaluronic acid, and the measurement was performed at the baseline T0 before the application of the formulations and after 4 weeks after the application twice a day. And from this study, we observed that JD Hydro Boost showed high hydration properties and improvement of the skin barrier compared to the formulation based on the hyaluronic acid. In addition, we also evaluated in vivo study moisturizing effect of JD Hydro Boost based formulation in short and long-term effect. So we measured the immediate effect after the application of the formulation, and then short-term effect was measured 8 hours of the application, and finally long-term effect was evaluated after 3 applications, and at each measuring point compared to the reference formulation, which is hyaluronic acid based formulation, we observed that JD Hydro Boost significantly increases skin surface hydration and acts as a nourishing and moisturizing ingredient to the skin. Finally, a wrinkle assessment was evaluated also by the investigator and also by the volunteers that participated in the study. And in both cases, also by the investigator and also by the volunteers, JD Hydro Boost based formulation showed satisfactory wrinkle reduction. And again, in this study, the performance of JD Hydro Boost based formulation was compared to the formulation based on hyaluronic acid. The final study that we performed for JD Hydro Boost, we evaluated the biome-friendly activity of JD Hydro Boost. So we evaluated the influence of a JD Hydro Boost on the S. epidermidis growth rate, and the comparison was performed to the control colony of the bacteria and also to the colony which was treated with a positive control, which is antibiotics. And the evaluation was performed during a relatively long period, And we observed that compared to the control colony of the bacteria, JD Hydroboost didn't affect the growth rate. So the growth rate of Asaepidermidis was not affected by the presence of JD Hydroboost. So these are the researches ex vivo and in vivo that we performed to prove the main benefits of JD Hydroboost.
So given the claims and functions of the material, what are some of the suggested applications?
So based on the claims and the benefits of this ingredient, this is a versatile ingredient, and we suggest to use it in skincare, face care, sun care, and color cosmetics. It's very trendy nowadays to use anti-aging ingredients in color cosmetics as foundations. So the recommended concentration of this ingredient in the formulation is 1.6 to 1%. It depends on the grade on the material.
Excellent. And to wrap up today, can you sum up the benefits of JD Hydro Boost for us?
So the main benefits of Hydro Boost is its ability to promote skin rejuvenation and to enhance procollagen 1 secretion. Additional benefits are skin barrier improvements and skin surface hydration. This ingredient also acts as anti-aging agent. It reduces the wrinkle conditions, and it also has a biome-friendly properties, resulting in a balanced skin microbiome.
Excellent. Thank you so much for taking some time to talk with me today.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to discuss our new ingredient with you.